I came by as soon as you called. What seems to be the problem? Bop's gone dog crazy. Are you sure? Alright, I'll deal with this. Bop! Bop! Bop? Are you in here? Where are you, Bop? Have you seen Bop? He's in the first testing chamber? Thank you so much. Bop? Oh no. Bop? What is going on here, buddy? Yes, these dogs are cute, but they could be living with families that can actually take care of them. You can't take care of all these dogs at once. I mean, you only have one water bowl and one food bowl over here, and the food actually just looks like it's poured straight onto the ground. Don't you walk away from me, Bop. That bed, there's no way that's big enough. We need to give these dogs to some real families. So here's the deal, Bop. I will go grab some bones from the kitchen. We'll feed these dogs. And we'll give them to some families. We'll prepare them to be given away to some families, okay, Bop? Alright, I'll be right back. Senor Chef! Chef. Hold on here, I'll come in and talk to you for once. Chef, sir? Do we happen to have some bones? Thank you. Oh, wow, a full stack. We have a lot of bones. How much have you been cooking? Got it. Okay, Bop, I got the bones, okay? Now what we're gonna do, I know it's sad, but we're gonna feed all these dogs, and then we'll help find them some homes, okay? Okay. Here, we'll start with you. Everyone can sit until we have new owners for you guys, okay? Okay. Here, I'll let you choose one to keep, okay? So by the end, you can choose one to keep, okay? Got it, Bop? Alright. Wow. You don't want to be tamed. There you go. You can sit right there. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to push you. Let's see. You need to be tamed. There you go. You can sit right there. And you're quite a small little dog. There you go. Oh, you have a black collar. Let's see, you need to be tamed. You can sit as well. Okay, Bop. Almost all the dogs have been tamed, so you can almost go ahead and choose. Alright, there you go. You can now go and choose a dog, okay? I'll be back after you've selected. Got it? Okay. Chef. Oh, sorry. I'll come in and talk to you. Here. Oh. What would you like me to do with these bones? Okay. Okay, Bop. Bop, you can't hide, okay, buddy? No, don't hide. Okay, look at me. Bop. Bop. Which dog did you choose? Okay. So you know what, Bop? I will go get some dye so that we can dye their collar. And we'll keep that one, okay? Okay. Alright, Bop. I'm back. I have some dye so that we can dye the collar. Let's see. Let's see if this'll work. This one you said? Huh. That's actually kind of cute, Bop. Look at that. He didn't want to have his dollar cut, so he just played around in the dye. That's kind of cute. You're a cute little guy. You're a little bit darker colored now, but it's okay. You're nice and cute. Alright, you know what? Bop. Bop. Where do we want to put him? Where do you want to keep him? We can't keep this in here. This is a testing chamber. Okay, we'll go put him there. Come on, little guy. Are you coming? Are you following me? Yeah, you're following me. Alright, hold on. Let me just close this gate. Now, you're a little bit slow. But we are going to go and we're going to give you somewhere nice to sit. Yeah. Are you here? Where are you, buddy? Come on. Oh. Don't worry, don't worry. Come on. This way. Yeah, come on. Just through here. Are these in your way? Here. Don't know how this would be in your way, but come on. Let's go. Just through here. You got a nice little green dog, and he wants you to have your own little home right over here. So we'll set you up fully. So you can just sit there for now. Alright. I'm gonna go make some calls, and your friends, they're gonna get to go away and have some fun. Yeah. Alright, Bop. You know what I'm about to do, right? So say goodbye to all the dogs. Hey, got some dogs if you want them. That's the last one. Your little furry friend. Your furry friends have gotten homes now. Except for this one here. This one here gets to stay with that cute little guy. There you go. Speaking of friends, if you would like to have your own blockling here in my lab, what do they have to do, Emerald? That's correct. Send me an email at raptorkingwest@gmail.com. Tell me what type of blockling you want and what you want it to be named. Here are your options. Once you've done that, you may get your own blockling here in my lab. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you have an amazing day, and goodbye.